Dual hot plates. NutriChef's PKRTO28 is a multifunctional kitchen oven that comes with dual hot plates in large and small. Other than that, it has other versatile cooking styles such as bake on baking tray, grill with griddle, toast, turbo, rotisserie, broil and roast. Control console. Adjust time, temperature and functions with the oven cooker front panel rotary controls. The convenient cooking lamp and easy access glass door make cooking easier than ever. The 60-minute timer ensures ideal results every time. 1400 watt power. This kitchen convection oven has an energy-efficient high-power heating element at 1400 watts. The hot plate power is 1000 watt, large, and 600 watt, small. The maximum temperature setting is 450 degrees Fahrenheit. 30 quarts capacity. Cook for a lot of people with this toaster oven's 30+ quarts capacity. Even though it can cook more, it is actually compact with an exact dimension of 19.6 inches by 0.16.0 inches by 13.5 inches that's perfect for any kitchen countertop or tabletop. Easy to clean. The stain-resistant housing, slide-out tray, and removable grill rack make the convection toaster oven roaster easy to clean after everyday use. It also has an easy-to-access glass door and weighs 28 pounds. Auto shutoff after 60 minutes for safety. Burner 1 temperature setting. Top reviews from the United States. Nice unit. I have used many of these types of oven over the years and the best feature for this one is the top burners. Very convenient for use in my RV. Even though you can't use both the oven and the burners, way too many watts required for that. You can start the oven and let it warm up, then switch to the burners, cook whatever and use the oven as a warmer, especially on cooler days at camp. Other features I like is the ability to only use the upper or lower elements for cooking. Sometimes I just want to broil. I bought an aluminum grill top for use on the burners. This turns it into a grill also. What I don't like is more of a design flaw. The rotisserie connections inside the oven are in the way of the groove for the topmost rack. I have to shove the rack in if I want to broil something close to the elements. Overall, although this oven is not as large as my other ones, it is perfect for my RV.